I've had people come back to me since I started doing this, and they said, man, I should have worked with you.
This is altruism right here.
Right. This is altruism. And this is our key selling point, right? Because everybody else will do that. And we're the only ones saying, no, man, go work with him. You know what I mean? Like,
that was awesome, huh?
No, that was great. And so just one key thing. I knew that he had a different intention for us.
Yep.
And that's why yesterday I was like, I mean, we could do that, but everybody else is doing that for him. You know what I mean? Like everybody else is giving him the proposal he wants.
Everybody else is also one person that's going to charge him $1,000 a month to give them their opinion.
Yeah. Yeah. So but this is his objections were, I really like that he was very candid with us, because usually people keep that inside. You know what I mean? And so for me, like hey man, this is for you to think about and decide. Like we can't make this decision for you. You know?
Well, yeah, and if we convince somebody to do it, then their heart isn't in it, and then it doesn't work anyways.
Right. So, and I love this because he's like, whew, that's a lot to think about. And that was like, that showed me that he was actually receptive to it. And he's like, fuck, I really actually have to sit down and think about this, because I might be making a mistake. You know, because I know when he first spoke up, he was like, I'm going to tell you guys what I'm thinking. And most likely by the end of this is going to be the end of the call. You know what I mean? Because and then you followed up and you're like, yeah, but here's why. And that's when he finally was receptive to it. Like, he wasn't receptive to anything we were talking about.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? Until he said, well, here's why I'm not receptive to it, because I was thinking you guys were going to give me something else.
Yeah. And I won't do that. I can't do that.
Yeah. So, but this is the thing. Like, this is
altruism right here.
Right. This is altruism. And this is our key selling point. Right? Because everybody else will do that. And we're the only ones saying, no, man, go work with him. You know what I mean? Like,
no, we're saying, please don't go work with him either, because
I'm saying go work with him. Like, hey man, like there's only one way for you to figure out if we're right.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. And either way, like when you make that decision, you're going to figure it out, you know?
And also, this basically leads to guaranteed business from him.
Yes. In the future.
One way or another down the road.
Right. And so that's the thing is, I've had people come back to me since I started doing this, and they said, man, I should have worked with you, blah, blah, blah. And so like people fucking sending me messages, hey man, I took your advice. Like, thanks. Like, this shit really fucking worked.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It like, either way, it's going to be him fucking having a conversation with you, because you guys aren't going to stop being friends. You know what I mean?
Oh. We'll be better friends now.
Right. Right.
This video needs to be watched by everybody on the team.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is our best. That was our best sales video so far.
Yeah, I think Brian should watch it today.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's end this recording. Get some water.
Okay. See you in a little bit.
All right, peace.